guys, what's up? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this look here. This is another festival look that I did. It's kind of like orangey, bronzy kind of a look. Super simple and just like a touch of glitter to make it a bit more festival-y. So yeah, comment anything you like and yeah, let's get on with the video. So to start off, I'm going to be taking the Badescu skincare. I'm not sure, I hope that's how you say it, but probably like way more than I needed, but anyway. Sorry if the lighting's really bright or anything like that. I'm working with natural lighting. Sorry guys. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. This is my second one of this. I've already finished one. This is such a nice foundation. I used it, I wore this actually to my ball, my school ball, and it looks so nice in pictures and everything. It was really, really pretty. And it's in the shade 10. For my concealer, I'm going to be using my usual Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous in the shade Light. So yeah, just the lightest one. And I'm just going to put in this under my eyes. So now I'm going to be doing some cream contouring with the Smashbox step-by-step contouring stick. Yeah, I need to sharpen that. So yeah, I'm just going to place in this cheekbones, forehead, and maybe some down my nose as well. Okay, so to set my makeup, I'm going to be taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Transparent. So yeah, I'm just going to be putting this all over my face and... For my bronzer, I'm going to be taking the Savvy Baked Bronzer in Golden Glow with just a stippling brush. Okay, so now I'm going to be powder contouring with the NYX contouring and highlighting palette. For my blush, I'm going to be taking the Covergirl True Blend Blush in, I think this is Medium Rose. Again, it's got a little bit of shimmer. It's kind of like a medium rose kind of colour. I don't apply a lot of blush just because I don't think it looks that great on me. So yeah, but you know, feel free to apply as much as you want. So I'm going to be taking two highlighters. I'm going to be taking the ColourPOP Super Shock Cheek in Lunch Money. I really love this. It's a cream highlighter. Yes, so I'm going to be taking that one, and then I'm also going to be taking the Too Faced Love Light highlighter in You Light Up My Life. It's a golden, super gorgeous gold highlighter. So I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera just because I just fill them in. There's nothing fancy or anything to it. And I'm just going to be taking the NYX Tame and Frame eyebrow pomade in the shade Blonde. So it just looks like that. To start off my eyes, I'm going to be taking the shade Running Late from ColourPOP. This is just a single eyeshadow. It's kind of like a light orangey tangerine kind of colour. So this is going to be my transition shade. And I'm just going to put this all in the crease. Next shade I'm going to be taking is a slightly darker one of the one before. This is in the shade IOU, same ColourPOP eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the same brush. Next shade I'm going to be taking is the shade New Wave from the Anastasia Subculture palette. So that is just this shade here. And I'm going to be taking this on a tapered blending brush and putting this in the outer corners of my eye. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of even out my eyes and put some stuff on the lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the shades Running Late and IOU, which are these two shades here, and put that on the lower lash line, and then also put New Wave on the outer corner of my lower lash line. With a pencil brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Fudge from the Anastasia palette and just kind of putting it on the outer corner of my eye and then smoking it in. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the NYX Above and Beyond concealer in the shade Light, and I'm going to be doing like a half cut crease type thing. I'm just going to do a cut crease till about the middle inner third type thing. Yeah, so I'm just going to be taking the concealer and then carving out that inner part of my eyes and then putting a powder over the top. The powder that I'm going to be using is just the translucent one I used before, the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and then I'll be putting some eyeshadow over the top. Okay, so to help the glitter stick to my face, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Glitter Glue. Yeah, so where I'm going to put the glitter is So I've got the glue on my finger right now, and I'm going to be putting the glitter around here. So now for lips, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the shade Stark Naked.